Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll be making this cute diamond shaped top, and you can also call it a kite top. So this is the black fabric that I'll be using. The first thing I'll do is to fold my fabric into two equal parts, and then I'll measure from one side of my bust to the other side, and what I got is 13 inches. So I'll be adding 1 inch to it for stitching allowance. So I'll fold my fabric into two equal parts, and then I'll go ahead and take the length of my top. So I want it to be 16 inches, so I'll place my tape and I'll take 16 inches all the way down. So this is what I have for the side, and for the length I'm going to take 16 inches and I'll cut out the excess fabric. What I'll do next is to split this closed edge open, and I'll adjust my fabric. So I'll keep that aside and I'll go ahead and cut out my strap. So I'll use this fabric that I cut out from the length. I'll use it for my strap. So the wideness of my strap is 1.5 inches. I'll take that and I'll cut out 3 straps. So I've gone ahead to cut out my straps, and the length is 30 inches. So two of the straps is 30 inches, and one of them is very short because I'll be using that to create a loop for the back of the top. So I'll go ahead and then I'll sew my strap close and I'll turn it inside out. So this is how I'm going to sew it. From this edge here, I'm going to close it like this, then I'll sew on a straight line down to the end. I'll repeat the same thing for the second strap and the third strap. So make sure you close one of the edge and then sew on a straight line all the way down, and I'll go ahead and turn it inside out. So I've done that, and this is what I have. You see what I mean? One of the edge is closed. So I'll use my safety pin to show you guys how to turn my your strap inside out. So I'll bring back my fabric and then I'll open it up, then I'll turn it like this in a triangular form. Just look at what I'm doing, just slant it a little bit like this, so we have the shape of a triangle. So what I'll do next is to place the second one on it, just like this, right sides facing each other. And what I'm going to do now is optional. I'm going to reduce my neckline so that it will not be shocking me when I wear it. So on the neck area, the part that I want to use as my neck area, I'm going to come down by 1 inch. You can come down by 1.5 inch. It depends on how you want it, and then I'm going to cut that out. After cutting it out, I'm going to bring back my strap and I'll place it like this. So just look at what I'm doing. I'll place one of the strap on this end like this, I'll pin it down, and I'll place the other one on the other end and I'll pin it down. So after pinning my strap in place, I'll go ahead and place the other part of the top on it like this. What I'll do next is to use my pin to hold all the sides. I'll just secure all the sides like this. So this is the third strap and this is the shorter one. I just need two loop for this tutorial. So the length of the loop that I want is 2.5 inches. I'll place my tape on it like this and I'll cut out two. After cutting out my loop, what I'll do is to flip my fabric to the side like this, and then I'll fold my loop into two. I'll place it inside and then I'll pin. I'll repeat the same thing for the other side of the top, and then I'll leave an opening where I am going to turn everything inside out when I'm done sewing, because we are going to sew all the way around. So I'll leave an opening by the side. I'll just take 2.5 inches and then I'll sew all the way around. I'll use that opening to turn everything inside out. So after sewing all the way around, I'll go ahead and remove my pins and I'll use the opening that I left to turn everything inside out. After notching, don't forget to notch so that everything lays flat. I have turned it inside out and this is what I have. So what I'll do is to close up this open edge. I'll just fold everything inside and I'll run a straight stitch on it. And yeah, we are basically done with this tutorial. Let me show you guys how to tie this dress. So I'll just take one of the strap from the other end. I'll insert it into the loop on the other end. You can just work your way around it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like it, subscribe if you have not, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.